Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to be talking about some of the design elements the Indigenous have invented that appear in Vogue and most everywhere else. As always, in the descriptive box below, there's links to additional websites if you need more information, including one that'll take you out to Amazon.com that has all the best-selling books for sale in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets book series. At the start of the virus, I created an adult coloring book based on the Atomi-made Mexican Maria dolls that found sponsorship with both UNICEF and National Geographic. Recently, I was asked to do a similar project with Atomi embroidery. I declined, feeling that though I had raised funds with the dolls for the Indigenous, I didn't see the embroidery having the similar market potential. Maybe I'm wrong. Atomi, O-T-M-I, is the name for the Indigenous tribe here when the Spanish arrived back in 1530 and are still around. The women selling Maria dolls around town are Atomis, as are many of the vendors featured at the artist market. Here you can still hear the now dying off Atomi language as the countrywide population of Atomi hovers around 300,000. Atomi embroidery is said to be inspired by ancient cave dwellings here in central Mexico, including 2 sites in San Miguel. Common motifs are vibrant rainbow-colored flora, fauna, animals, and symbols representing fertility, nature, and spirits that serve as intermediaries between our world and the next. Despite being around since the Mesoamerican times, the craft really kicked into high gear in the 1960s, when an economic crisis forced some Atomis to turn from farming to traditional crafts for economic survival. I have a quilt that I hung in my son's room, and when he was sick, we'd examine the quilt, creating stories to explain what we saw to distract him. With my daughter's recent engagement, I've been sending her Atomi wedding dress images to encourage a local wedding in the same mermaid cut her mother once wore. Back in 2016, Vogue stated that Atomi was, quote, the next style trend to watch. Apparently, Vogue knows what they're talking about. Atomi embroidery can be found almost anything. From clothing to wallpaper, Atomi designs are found for sale on Amazon, eBay, Target, and Etsy. Fashion designer Carolyn Herrera used the Atomi designs in some of her product lines without acknowledging or compensating the Atomis, causing an international incident. The controversy motivated Mexican law to be more supportive of indigenous crafts and designs. However, these laws only apply in Mexico. I think one of the most attractive uses of Atomi table settings is at the Rosewood, with each table being a different color. Not to be outdone, Hotel Matilda features an entire mural. Meanwhile, City Market, the large grocery store, has china with the Atomi design on both white and black backgrounds. For fantasy and fun, it's hard to go wrong with including both the Atomi's 2 claims to design fame: the Mexican Maria doll and the colorful animal look in your interior designs. As always, click subscribe now button below and you'll automatically get notifications of new videos as they come out here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets.